What is up, guys? We are heading over to Justin's place. It's Memorial Day. Don't really have anything else to do, so we're gonna knock some stuff out on the cars. Justin's been getting some stuff done on his car recently. I haven't had really time to work on mine because I just got a new short block from Subaru after the valve spring recall. My engine, who knows what happened, but thankfully Subaru ended up taking care of us really well, and we got a new engine, new short block, and everything's been great for about 600-700 miles. So we're gonna put some more miles on the car today and head down to his place and get some stuff done on the cars. So we are not at Justin's yet, but it's because we have no beer, so we're getting beer. All right, after waiting like literally 15 minutes in the line just to grab a case of beer, we are on the way. Got some Blue Moon, and we're a couple minutes away. All right, Justin, what are we doing?
I don't know. Whatever you're doing. Don't record me.
What are we doing?
I'll record you.
All right, so we have a ATP cabin air filter. I've not changed this filter in way too many miles.
What's the production date?
Say what?
What's the production date of the vehicle? Factory?
2013. So it has been a minute since this has been changed. For everybody that is watching and doesn't know where the cabin filter is, here under the glove box, pop it open, and the cabin filter is back here. There's a tab on this side and a tab over on that side, and you just kind of squeeze them together and the filter pops out. So we are going to pop that out and hopefully not die from what it smells like. So that is the old one. Literally just shaking stuff out of it. That is disgusting. Can you go grab the new one?
It's right there in the seat.
I don't have two hands.
Brad.
So side-by-side comparison. That's clean. That's nasty.
Yeah.
It's like dog hair.
I wonder where that came from.
Look at all that junk that's in there. That's gross.
Yeah, this is going right back in your phone.
God, that's gross.
See what's happening.
Alright, we're gonna put a good one back in.
Done.
Alright. Is back in, clips are secured, and that is how you change cabin air filter. This piece that goes on the back of the trunk. Right there. Shit. I closed the trunk.
Rip.
Hey. So we're gonna install that. You guys might notice I do have bags in the car. That's gonna be another video soon. Just want to get some of this little stuff put together on the car that I haven't had time to put on for a while. So we're gonna pop some tabs out and get this stuff going.
So please just blow away. I can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie. I wanna
this is the new piece. The trunk button, there's these two little clips on either side of that, and just pop it open, pulls out, put those wires in, and then you run it back through in here. And there's a lock just chilling, because that's what locks do.
Just hanging up.
Just hanging. So we ended up putting a little piece of metal right there to basically wedge out those clips so it would fit better and not wiggle around, which is great. So now we're gonna get back on the car and hopefully it'll look good. So hand tightened all of those, and now we're going to tighten them back up with ratchet, just to make sure everything's buttoned up correctly. And then looks good.
And you get an impact out. Like a couple ugga duggas. I wouldn't go any tighter.
Yeah.
As I start to back out, you can get some nuts with the lock shit in it already.
Yeah.
Or you put fucking
Well,
blue Loctite on it.
should we put the logo back on or no? What do you think?
You're gonna have to get a new one.
What do you think, Justin?
You're gonna have to get a new one.
Logo? No logo.
I wouldn't put one on. Fuck that. It fits pretty nice though. Lines up.
Yeah.
Gaps are nice. Lock will still work.
Got my carbon fiber floor mats. Got those cleaned up. All this vacuumed up, so we're putting these back in. Made these. I just utilized the OEM floor mat clips, popped them off, and it works. If anybody wants a pair of those, hit me up. We'll make them for you. These are amazing. If you don't have them, get them.
Especially for those style clips.
We are gonna clean these fuckers up because they're nasty.
Two hours later.
So cleaned up these bags. They look really nice. This one, you can kind of see the thread showing a little bit in there. So I'm probably gonna have to get a new bag for the front on that one. I might as well just do that front one too because there's a bolt that they rub on. But what do you guys think for the trunk setup? I think I'm gonna take the manifold and put it behind the tank, and then I'm gonna have a compressor here and here. We'll run hard lines, but we'll figure it out. Blue Moon, sponsor us. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. Hope you learned something about the air filter. Change it every, like, what, 20,000 miles, something like that? Whatever OEM says. So read your manual, figure it out. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we will see you guys next time. This was episode 1, I guess, of Renegade Garage, yeah. Or 2 idiots with kind of a garage and beers and shit.
Yeah.
All right.
Go with that.
RPF 1s. Oh my gosh, so light.